Okay, so our teacher dogs and student dogs are already inside their classroom. Nakapag-flag racing ceremony na rin po tayo, which could only mean that our class is about to start. Mabuhay Magmadaya! My name is Trisha. I am one of your hosts, and I'm very excited to be with all of you today in this 45-minute nature and culture discovery experience.
Yay!
Now, I can see we actually have a lot of students in the audience.
Yay!
Tama ba? Marami pa tayong mga estudyante ngayon. Can you please raise your hand para makita ko? Please tayo mga estudyante pa. Ayan, ang dami nga nating mga estudyante. At kahit mga hindi estudyante, nataas rin ata ng kamay. But no worries with that, because for today, we are all gonna learn a lot about our nature, a lot about our culture, a lot about birds, and at the end of the show, hopefully, a lot about ourselves and our relationship with Mother Nature. And what better way to learn about nature and culture is to learn them from our teacher birds themselves, di ba? Now I would like to stress out that our teacher birds are actually rescued and donated birds that we can no longer release back to the wild. Why? Well, first is because some of them are not endemic here in the Philippines. That means, hindi po sila dito sa Pilipinas nakatira. If we release them back to the wild, they may not be able to survive at all. Second, some of these birds were left injured due to the injuries that they've got before they were donated to us. That is why we do this activity time, this play time, to entertain our birds and to teach you, our guests, the importance of environmental and cultural awareness. So I'd like to ask, students of the Malagos Bird School, are you ready to learn this morning?
Yay!
Naku, parang konti lang yung nakapag